Good morning, Mom. It was a beautiful morning.
I love my morning coffee.
Breakfast is delicious.
The coffee smelled wonderful.
I feel very tired today.
Are you okay, Mom? Are you feeling all right? Just a little tired, sweetie.
I just need some coffee.
Mom made fresh coffee. Mom made fresh coffee. The kitchen smelled like coffee.
That tastes great.
Does coffee help you? Yes, sweetie. It gives me a little boost. Want to try a sip? No thanks. I'll stick to juice.
I feel better already.
This coffee is magic. It's not magic. Coffee helps me wake up.
Really? Does it work like magic?
Have a great day at school. You too, Mom. Bye. See you later, Mom.
The day continued normally. The day continued normally.
I'm tired again. I'm just so exhausted. You look sleepy.
Maybe coffee will help. Mom drank another cup.
I feel more awake now. Coffee really helps you.
It helps me focus.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
So that's how it works. So that's how it works.
That is interesting. Let's visit the doctor tomorrow.
I hope everything is okay.
Hello, how are you today?
We're doing well, thank you.
That's great to hear.
We're glad to be here.
What brings you in?
Emma has had a fever.
And how are you feeling, Emma?
Everything looks fine.
Oh, that's great.
Emma listened carefully. Emma listened carefully.
Good sleep is very important. It affects your mood, your focus, and your overall health.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
I understand. I understand.
Mom learned something important.
This will keep you cozy. Thank you, sweetie.
I'm going to sleep early.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetie. Mom slept very well.
A new day began.
I feel great today.
Was it the coffee?
No, it was sleep.
Sleep saved the day.
Just a little coffee today.
You make my morning so special. You too, Mom. Best breakfast ever. Sleep is important.
Balance is important. Good sleep is better than too much coffee.